Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ola Opulence. I am so excited today. Oh my god. So, short story. Nike did it again, guys. They did it again. Like, what are the chances? Two exclusive access in the space of like what, 2 weeks? Wow. I am lost for words. Anyway, if you're new here, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment in the section below. Guys, I really appreciate you for doing that. So today you already see the box. Look at how beautiful the box is. Like, it is, I don't know how to describe the box because it is like a gray and it has this kind of like white gold shiny paint on it, kind of like sparkled all over. And as you can see the fly with the Jordan sign right in front of it, right there. It is absolutely beautiful. Like, that's amazing. All right, and as far as I can see, the sparkles all over the box apart from the bottom of the box. And this reads Air Jordan 4 Retro Dark Gray Infrared 23 Black, and that's about it. And it's got my sizing. I wear this in the UK 9 and the US 10. I will show you guys so you can see it right there. That is absolutely amazing. So without further ado, guys, let's get straight into the unboxing. I am really excited for this one. All right, so let me open the box. I'll show you to you guys. I will open it together. 1, 2, 3, bam. There we go. See the tissue paper right there with the speckle right there. Just the Oreo speckle. You can see it. The Oreo tissue paper, which is very nice and soft. And you can see the shoe itself right there. Bam! Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, you guys, are you ready for this? Check it out. 1, 2, 3. Bam! That is the Jordan 4 Retro Infrared. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely hot. Goodness me. Wow. This is nice, guys. And the material is actually nice. Smells good. So I'm going to take the other feet out so I can talk about the materials and see what the cut looks like. And we don't need the box anymore. I will put this to the side right here. Okay, put it right here. Okay, so goodness me, look at this. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This material right here is really nice. This is very nice. Okay, so we're gonna start with the sole, the outsole right there. This is nice. All right, as you can see, it's a mix of color on the outsole. You can see on top right there has the infrared, but before we go there, the tip of the outsole right here, it has different pods, I guess. And the front right here is a dark gray, and after that you have the infrared right there, and it's all the way white to like the middle of the sole. And right in the middle, connecting to that, is a black pod again. And in the black pod, you have the infrared Jumpman right there. And at the heel, you have another pod going from the middle all the way to the heel, like a taper around the black middle right there. And you have that herringbone on the whites in there, which is really nice. So that's what it looks like, guys. That is really nice. I am loving this. This is nice. So let's move up to the midsole. The midsole primarily is all white right there. All white midsole, as you can see, all the way around. Okay, and you, of course, you have the air bubble right there in the back of the heel. As usual on all Jordan 4s, those are nice. Okay, so for the upper, on the mudguard, you have a light gray nubuck right there. It's a really nice nubuck, actually. I like it a lot. So you can see around the mudguard, it's a light gray tone. So that nubuck from the mudguard in the front goes all the way to the middle of both sides right here, and it tapers off to the middle on this side as well. And then you have a darker gray on top of that, which goes into the toe box right there. So that's mainly the rest of the upper right there, which is a gray going all the way to the back. All right, and then you have the net, the side netting, I like to call them. You have the side netting right there on both sides, which is very, very nice. And you also have it just near the toe box right there. You got the waffle eyelids as usual in all Jordan 4s, which is really, really nice. And this infrared is actually different from the Crimsons. The Crimsons is kind of close, but I think the Crimson is a little bit more saturated, like a darker red. So this is more like a reflective, red. So that's why they call it infrared, which is really nice. And on the tongue, we've got that Nubuck tongue, and you got a flight patch right there with the Jumpman on the tongue, as you can see. And it's got black laces, which is really, really nice. I like the black lace as usual. It's a black lace. So on the inside, you got the infrared sock liner right there that has the black Jumpman. I know you can't see it. So when I'm doing the showcasing, I will get in there so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. And on the side, inside the shoe, on the sleeves right here, is gray right there. You can see it. It's kind of like, yeah, it's gray. It's darker gray, darker version of gray, very, very dark. It's not black. It's close to black, but it's not black. And on the side, on the back, excuse me, we have a Jumpman in gray with the back panel right there, the pull tab with the waffle thingy down there as well, which is standard to all Jordan 4s. So yeah, so in the midsole as well, what I forgot to mention is on top of the midsole, it is black as well right there, so this is the midsole, which is normal white, but on top of that there's another black right there, going all the way to the back to tipping off at the middle right there. So yeah, that's about it. And as usual, you guys, you know how we do here. I am going to do an on feet for you guys so you can see how it looks on feet. And just let me know what your opinion is about this. But for me, I think this is hot, and really that's about it. Just watch out for the on feet, and don't forget, if you're new here, please slap that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment in the section below. Guys, tell me what you think about this pair. For me personally, I think this pair is fire. I love it. Just the way the color combination, the way they pulled it off, is really, really nice, And one thing I actually forgot about is the inside here, and the tongue has the Jordan as usual upside down, and has the infrared inside of the tongue right there. Forgot that. So yeah, that's it. You guys have a wonderful day. all the opulence out.